In this video, let me show you how to create an AOL Mail account. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. If you're also trying to create an account of AOL Mail, make sure you follow along and let's get right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and search for AOL Mail. Once you do, you can head over to the first link, which is going to take you to its website. From the website of AOL Mail, you'll be directed to the sign in page. Now, instead of this, you'll see the button called create an account. You just need to click on it and this interface will open up where you need to fill in your details. Add in your full name, the email address that you want, and then create a password. It is going to give you suggestions of the email addresses that are available. Once you add in all of your details, you'll also add in your phone number. So add in your phone number and then click on send code. And there you go, as easy as that. Your account of AOL Mail now has been created. In order to send mails, you just need to head over to the mail section. And this is the section where you can receive and send emails. If you head over to your inbox, you can see all of the mails that you receive. In order to compose an email, you can click on the compose option on the top left. So that was a short video on the way that you can create an account of AOL Mail. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos.